Hey everybody, it's Joseph with the Gordon Real Estate Team. So for this month's video, I just have 4 really awesome home maintenance tips that I want to share with you. I can't believe that the end of February is here and spring is around the corner. So going along with that spring cleaning you'll be doing, the first tip I've got for you is to check the filter in your furnace or your AC. I'm guilty of not doing this, and man, it affects the air quality in my home. There's more dust. I mean, the furnace doesn't operate as well. So just be sure to do that, especially if you are allergic to anything or if you have pets. I recommend doing it once a month if that's the case. So tip number 2, set up a ladder, go outside, check your gutters, make sure that there's no leaves or debris built up in your gutters. If those get clogged, then you can have water spilling over the side, which can cause water issues around the perimeter of your home. So that's a really important one. Third is smoke detectors. For obvious reasons, make sure that the batteries are fresh in your smoke detectors. And lastly, this is kind of a cool thing. The refrigerator in your home uses about 15% of the total power that you use per year. So if you go behind your fridge and you vacuum out the coils, it can help your fridge run more efficiently and hopefully save you some more money on your power bill. So hope you found these tips to be helpful. If you have questions or need help buying or selling a home, I'd love to help, and have a great week.